Dan Groneveld, one of the CIS instructors at Northern Pioneer College for the NAVIT program. We offer with the certifications, we do 141 and 142, which is an A+ certification. That's computer hardware and software. And then we do Network Plus, which is all about networks. And then there's also a few smaller sort of certifications and awards like Google and Microsoft operating systems, network security, intro to information security, and then software development, system development, programming, everything that you could possibly think of when it comes to CIS, where we are offering those in the classes.
My name is Colby Gresko, and I took the NAVIT course in my junior to senior year because I wanted to get into computer sciences. Because the world is getting really technical and a lot of the advancements are coming through computers, I really wanted to be a part of that and to further that goal in my education in it. So the NAVIT program was really, really helpful for that because, one, the teachers here, they really care about your learning. They don't care about necessarily the coursework. They care about how much you're able to get from it and the amount of applicable information and application of the concepts. They do a lot of hands-on work and a lot of labs and things along those lines. So it's really important and has a lot to be gained from it. My favorite part of the class is definitely the hands-on aspects. For part of this course, we learned to get our A+ certification, and that required us to take apart and reassemble the inner workings of a desktop computer and learn how to handle that sort of equipment. And being able to do that was probably one of the most intriguing things I've done in this course. I'd really like to thank NPC for the opportunity that NAVIT has provided to be able to learn about these things in high school. That way I'm more prepared for when college and life really hit. Shout out to teachers and everyone who's made this possible, and I thank you for the opportunity.
Jefferson Hunt. I'm really happy to be here and on camera, and I didn't necessarily do the NAVIT program when I was in high school. I did it when I was already graduated. I graduated from Snowflake High School. I was here with other students that were in high school, and it was a really great experience for me to get real hands-on learning. Like you can see in the background, we've got motherboards here. We take them apart, take the CPUs out, we do all sorts of things. And it was so much so that I was able to get my first IT job, getting a real-world experience, and it's just been a great experience for me overall, and I highly recommend it. Getting your degree through the NAVIT program is so important. It's a huge step forward for your career. It really helps you to, right when you're out of high school, to actually land a job or to be way further ahead than other people that are just starting. One piece of advice that I'd give you is to actually take this class very seriously, even though you're here, you're still in high school and all that. It's really easy to not study, not work hard, but in this class, a lot of these classes are tailored for certifications, and those certifications hold real market value. And if you don't get them, if you just goof off, then you're missing out on a lot of opportunities. So that's what I would say. Well, thank you NPC for letting me come to the NAVIT program. It was a really good experience, and I learned so much, and it has been huge for me in my educational journey.
When they learn how things work behind the background, they really get a good satisfaction out of that because then they sort of know things that a lot of people don't, and it gives them a little bit of pride.